they can come back in with what is called hoovering. So it suck you back in. And this could be with like an accidental text or accidentally bumping into you, or I need to pop round and pick up something. I'm so sorry. This was happening for me. I know I didn't handle it very well. But if you listen really carefully, you'll hear that there's lots of criticisms of you within that. So it's never a full apology or taking full responsibility or any real efforts to change. It's just, I want to get control of you again. And so it's being aware of that dynamic.